Hello student. Next SQL queries like summarizing data, grouping data, using subqueries, nested queries, joining table, managing table, using views and generating reports. So starting with the first function is the summarization. A function is a command always used in conjunction with a column name or expand or expression. There are several types of function in SQL. Okay, so this is our coverage. Aggregate functions. An aggregate function is used to provide summarization information for an SQL statement, such as count, totals, and average. Okay, we'll take one example on the average. See the average function. The average function is used to find averages for a group of rows when used with distinct command. The average function returns the average of a distinct rows. The syntax for the average function is as follows: average, distinct, then column name. Then the group by next one is your group. The group by clause is added to the SQL statement after the where clause. Here is example where we are listing the orders ID and excluding quantities greater than 100. So see the select order ID from order details where the quantity less than equal to 100 and group by order ID. See here the making the groups of separate means whenever they separate the order details, right, whose quantity where the quantity less than equal to 100, those having the quantity less than 100, that make a separate group, and that group we can make by using the order ID. Separate and the unique is your order ID, right? So in this way we can make groups. Then sub query, or you can call it inner query, also nested query, is a query within another SQL query and embedded within the where clause. A subquery is used to return data that will be used in the main query as a condition to further restrict the data to be retrieved. Subqueries can be used with select, insert, update, and delete statement along with operators like equal to, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, in between, etc. Okay, subqueries is an inner query, you can call it as. Just like in your in C language you are using the for loop, and inside suppose you can use the if. That if we can act as a subquery. If you use that if in between the for loop, it's like a subqueries. Okay, in SQL subquery. A subquery is used to return a data that will be used in main query as a condition to further restrict the data to be retrieved. Right? So there are few rules for subquery. Subquery must be enclosed with a parenthesis. If subquery can have only one column in select clause. A order by common cannot use subqueries. Okay, and a group by command can be used to perform the same function by order by the subquery. Subquery that return more than one row can only be used with multiple values operators such as in operator. The select list cannot include any references to value that evaluate to a bloom, arrow, clue, and enclose. So subquery cannot be immediately enclosed in a set function, right? So the between operator cannot be used with subqueries. So see the we can see the syntax. Okay, select column name, okay, in bracket column name from that table 1 and table 2 where that operator. Okay, so in this way we can operate the subqueries. Next one is your nested queries in SQL. So Nested query is a query written inside a query, okay, just like a subquery. The result in inner query is used in execution of outer query. We will use the course student course table for understanding the nested query. There are mainly two types of nested: independent nested query and in. Okay, so these are the steps we can call as. We elaborate it whenever I will explain this one in at the time of explanation online. Okay, so nested query, how it will be work. These are the syntax for the nested query. Then SQL join. A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Example: select order, order ID, customer, customer name, order, order date. From order, inner join customer on order and customer ID is equal to customer ID. Okay. So different types of SQL joining. Okay, so inner join, left means outer join, right? Left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Okay, so these are the different types of the SQL join operations, right? Then create view statement. Create view statement. So SQL a view is a virtual table based on the result set of the SQL statement. A view contains rows and column just like a real table. The field in a view are filled from one or more real table in the database. You can add SQL function where and join statement to a view and present the data as if the data were coming from one single table. So create view syntax. Create view name as, select column 1, column 2 like this one from table name where the conditions. Okay, so these are the example. Create view. Okay, so is a Brazil customer as, select customer name from customers and where the country is equal to Brazil. Okay, so in this way we can that is syntax we can use. Okay, and then last one is your related to the report. A report is to grab the actual data we need. We want to count all contacts employee had with customer. Example, we will simply use ID from both table, group by them, and count the number of calls. So we got the, by using this one we can using the aggregate function, that is nothing but count. Okay, so we can create a report, means it is possible to, means we can implement in the practicals of that SQL to create a report. Another one example is creating a report whenever you make a list of the components required for your project. Suppose these are the your experiment, then we are creating the tables for the requirement of that so and so practical. These are the list of the component, these are the register value, how many quantity, right? Similarly for the capacitor value and their quantity, right? Their last column can keep as a price also, and in this way we can create one table, final table we can make. And if you want to create their report, so by using this command we can generate the report. Okay, so these are the things we can implement it in the practically. Okay, so I hope we can already install the MySQL in your systems or Oracle. Okay, so out of these two, one can use and follow this such type of commands. Then we'll do the practice. Then we can execute such type of transaction. Okay, so I again expected in this unit SQL based. These are the totally software based. Okay, so but it is useful, means just like your basics. Being a ENTC engineer, they expect the student should be aware about the C++. So same thing they expect the student should know about the basics of SQLs also. students should know the basics of SQL. Okay, so in the latest L&T company, they are asking the question on SQL also. Okay, so simple queries are there. Okay, so hope we understood the better. Okay, and here I will say the total point of unit number 3 are covered, and here unit number 3 is over. Thank you.